This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an NSC certificate online. First, understand that the National Savings Certificate, or NSC, is a government-backed savings instrument. It provides secure returns and offers valuable tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Applying online is a straightforward process, allowing you to manage your investments efficiently from home. This method saves you time and simplifies the entire application journey. To begin, log into your Department of Post's net banking account. Once logged in, look for the General Services section and click on Service Requests. From there, you will select New Requests and then choose the option to open an NSC account. This initiates your online application. Ensure your internet banking is active and linked to your post office savings account for a smooth experience. Next, you will enter the amount you wish to invest. The minimum investment is 1,000 rupees, and you can deposit in multiples of 100 rupees. Select the debit account that is linked to your post office savings account. Carefully review all the terms and conditions presented. Once you agree, enter your transaction password and click Submit to finalize your application. This step ensures your investment is processed correctly. After successful submission, you will receive a deposit receipt that you can view and download for your records. You can also log back into your account and navigate to the Accounts section to see the details of your new NSC investment. The post office will then process your application and issue your NSC certificate. Remember to check the description below for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. This easy online process saves you time and effort, making your investment journey smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.